Today here's in this full video, I will learn you how to make reels on Instagram. Please make sure this process is same for Android as well as iOS devices. Now let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you are here, then tap on camera icon at the top left corner. Here you can see Reels option at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on Reels to make new Reels. When you first time open it, you will get option Get Started. To create new Reels, now tap on Get Started. Once you tap on Get Started, then you will start to create new Reels. Now here tap on music icon to select song for your Reels. From here, you can select music for your Reels video. If you want to listen any song for try, then tap on play icon in front of that music. Now tap on that music which you want to add in your Reels video. Once you tap on the music, then next here you will select lyrics. Simply move the line at the bottom of the screen to change lyrics. Here as you can see, lyrics change. Once you select it, then tap done. Now tap on second icon to select video speed. If you tap on third option, then you will select effect screen for your video. Here you can see that lot of effects are available for your Reels video. To try any effects for your Reels video, then simply tap on it. So here as you can see, effects are available on your screen. Make sure you can try all effects to see how it will show. You can see that how will show your Reels video. So once you selected effect, then tap on fourth option. From this option, you can select time for your Reels video. Once you select, then tap on set timer. Now to create Reel video, simply tap on center at the bottom of the screen. Then it will start. Now here it started. Also you can see that music is playing in background while creating Reel video. Once you stop and want to again start, then simply tap on center icon. Then it will continue. As you all know, this is the new latest version of Instagram. Instagram Reels video is on trending nowadays. Once it finished, then go next. Here you can see your Reel video. Also here you can add stickers and alphabets. Then tap next icon. Now here, if you want to add your caption, then you can do it. You can write your own caption and use hashtags. So once you completed, then here tap on share. If you want to save this reel in your gallery, then tap on save as draft. Now wait for few seconds to share it. I just hope this video will helpful to all of you. This is the easy way to create Reels video on Instagram. That's how you can make Reels on Instagram. And here you can see that my Reel video is posted. If you like this method, then please like this video, subscribe our channel and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching this video.